Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome back after your half-yearly exams. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your video sessions of GK. Okay. So class, before our half-yearly exams, we were on unit number 9 of our GK syllabus. Okay. So the last topic that we had discussed was from the unit number 9 only. That was stars of the business world. So this was the last topic that we had discussed. So today I am going to start with another topic from the same unit number 9, that is I fear, which is given at page number 69. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 69, that is I fear. Okay, so I am just writing the topic here, that is unit number 9. Topic is I fear, which is given at page number 69. Clear? Chaliye. Now let's begin with the topic. Okay, so first of all, before introducing the topic, I just want to say that मतलब just think about it. So देखिए हर किसी को थोड़ा बहुत डर लगता है. Okay, some people they fear of water, मतलब they can't go in the swimming pool. Okay, they can't go near the river or the sea. They can't boat, just like me. Okay, I can't do boating because I fear of water. Okay, I have suffering with the hydrophobia. Okay, some people they don't go on the heights. वो ऊंचा नहीं जा सकते, तो मतलब वो heights पे जाके they can't look down. कई लोग होते हैं जिनको पहाड़ वगैरह पे जाने में डर लगता है. Okay, some people they fear of darkness, अंधेरे से बहुत लोगों को डर लगता है. They just मतलब they have some kind of a okay that fear. So all those fear that I am talking about, किसी भी तरह का कोई डर, okay, that is not a normal डर. आपको किसी ने डराया नहीं डर गए, that is not a डर. Okay, मतलब वो fear नहीं. I am just talking about that some fear in which the person he feels starts feeling unsafe. Okay, उसको खुद को unsafe लगना शुरू हो जाता है. Okay, he or she they can't breathe properly. Some people they have start breathing so मतलब उनको breathing problem हो जाती है. Okay, so because of the fear. Okay, so that this is a kind of a fear that is of a very high stage. Okay, and that fear is known as phobia. तो हम इसको fear नहीं बोलेंगे, that is known as phobia. If some person or has a fear of something at a very great extent, उसको किसी भी चीज़ से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है, that doesn't mean that you fear of your father or you fear of your mother. That is not a phobia. Okay, I am talking about some people they don't मतलब कुछ लोग आपने देखा होगा they don't go to heights. Some people they don't, whether they are having so much money or when they can spend a lot, but they always prefer to go by train rather by going by air because they fear of heights. Okay, so there are people those who fear of certain things. बहुत लोगों को अलग चीज़ से डर लगता है, so that मतलब और वो लोग they can't just cope up with that fear. मतलब उस fear में they just start feeling unsafe. Okay, they start feeling unsafe. Okay, so now here in this topic we are basically talking about the phobia. So we are basically talking about the phobia. So here a definition for the phobia is given. A phobia is abnormally heightened fear of certain things or situations. Match the pictures given below with the phobia they describe. So there are different kinds of phobia. Okay, there are people those who fear of different things. Okay, and then fear. Okay, that extended fear is known as phobia. So हर इंसान को जिसको अलग अलग चीज़ से डर लगता है, there is a name, certain name that is given to the particular phobia. So in this we will discuss about those phobia. So what is अगर किसी भी चीज़ का कोई डर है तो उसको हम कौन से phobia बुलाते हैं? Clear? So first is, you can see the pictures here. Okay, so you can see a boy is fearing of spider, fear of fire. So certain things are given and we have to mention what we exactly call these phobias as. Okay, so let's discuss about these phobias. So the first is fear of spiders. Okay, if someone has the fear of spiders, if someone has the fear of spider, किसी को spider से डर लगता है, if someone has the fear of spider, so which kind of phobia he is suffering from? So if somebody is having fear of spider, so that person is suffering from that fear of spider is known as arachnophobia. So fear of spider is known as arachnophobia. ओके जिसको स्पाइडर से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है, मकड़ी जिसको हम बोलते हैं. ओके अगर किसी को मकड़ी से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है, सो दैट मीन्स दैट पर्सन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम arachnophobia, and this is one of the very rarest phobia, but the people who fear of spiders, they scream a lot whenever they see that spider. So fear of spider is known as arachnophobia. So the answer for the first is fear of spider. Fear of spider is termed as arachnophobia. That is ARACHNOPHOBIA. That is arachnophobia. If somebody has fear of fire, so he is suffering from arachnophobia. Moving next to the second one. Okay, so second is if somebody is suffering from, if somebody has fear of darkness. Okay, अगर किसी को अंधेरे से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है. Okay, so if somebody is having fear of darkness, so that means that person is suffering from nyctophobia. So the fear of darkness is termed as nyctophobia. Okay, अगर किसी को अंधेरे से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है, so that means that person is suffering from nyctophobia. So write down fear of darkness. Fear of darkness. If somebody is suffering from darkness, so that means that person is suffering from nyctophobia. NYCTOPHOBIA. That is nyctophobia. Okay, so fear of darkness is termed as nyctophobia. Moving next to the third one. Okay, the third is in somebody has fear of fire. Okay, अगर किसी को फायर से, आग से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है, so if someone is suffering from fear of fire, so that means that person is suffering from pyrophobia. Okay, so whenever they see fire, they feel like that they are going to burn, वो जल जाएंगे किसी न किसी, मतलब that fire is going to harm their body. Okay, so they feel like this. Okay, so if somebody has fear of fire, or if somebody fears of fire, so that person is suffering from which kind of phobia? That is known as a he is suffering from pyrophobia. You know, this phobias that we are discussing, this is kind of an illness. Okay, एक तरह से एक बीमारी कही जाती है, and the people they get treatment for it. So those who understand their phobia, they get them treated from the doctors. So they need psychiatrists, doctors. Okay, psychiatrists are not जो पागलों के इलाज करते, psychiatrists are the person who deals with your mental problems. Okay, so mental problem doesn't mean that somebody is मतलब वो पागल है. So some people they are in depression, they feel मतलब they have several various situations they are facing, so they are not able to handle it. So in that case they go to the doctor, so the doctor can treat their mental problems. Okay, so the question was fear of fire. So if somebody is suffering from fear of fire, so that means that person is suffering from pyrophobia. Okay, so fear of fire is known as fear of fire. If someone is suffering from fear of fire, so that person is suffering from pyrophobia. PYROPHOBIA. That is pyrophobia. Okay, that is pyrophobia. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth picture you can see a boy is he has fear of lightning. Lightning means garajna. Okay, so बारिश जब होती है जब गरजते बरसते बादल कड़कते हैं. Some people they have fear of lightning. वो बिजली के कड़कने से डरते हैं. लेकिन अगर बिजली अगर एकदम से कड़कती है तो हम भी डर जाते हैं. But that is not a phobia. क्योंकि that is just a sudden reaction. But कुछ लोग होते हैं वो थोड़ी सी आवाज़ से मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा डर जाते हैं. तो मतलब they just can't handle the so much loud noise. So that means that person is suffering from the phobia. And especially if that person is suffering from, he fears a lot from the lightning, गरजने से. Okay, they can't see. हम तो देखते हैं बिजली गिरते हम देख लेते हैं. But some people they can't even handle that also. So that means that particular person is suffering from some kind of phobia of lightning, that he has a lot of fear from the lightning. So that fear of lightning is termed as astrophobia. Okay, so if somebody is suffering from fear of lightning, so that person is suffering from astrophobia. So fear of lightning, that is astrophobia. That is fear of lightning, fear of lightning, that is astrophobia. That is astrophobia. Okay, so if someone is suffering from fear of lightning, so that means that person is suffering from astrophobia. Moving next to the fifth one. Okay, fear on being on an aeroplane. Okay, some people they don't, especially they fear of heights. Okay, that it's not a kind of a heights. They fear of going on a plane. मतलब उनको हमेशा लगता था कि मतलब plane गिर जाएगा. But मतलब whatever the fear they feel, they just can't feel that they are safe in plane. Okay, so that those persons, those who feel very unsafe in the plane, they can't travel by plane. Okay, I know 1-2 people that who suffers from this kind of phobia. They just shaken whenever we talk about a trip on a plane. So they just start shaking that they don't like to be on the plane. So rather than by going a plane, they can spend a lot of a time. Okay, by going train, they prefer to go by train as compared to the plane. So if someone is suffering of, or someone feels fear or someone fears of being on an aeroplane, he can't travel by a plane, so that means that person is suffering from aviophobia. That person is suffering from aviophobia. So fear of being on airplane, that is aviophobia. Fear of being on an airplane, fear of being on an airplane, that is known as aviophobia. That is known as aviophobia. That is known as aviophobia. Clear? Moving next to the sixth one. The sixth is, if somebody has the fear of closed spaces, they can't breathe. Especially the people, those who fear of closed spaces, अगर उनको किसी बंद सी जगह में रख दिया जाए, suppose अगर आप उसको एक रूम में बिठाया and you just lock the door from outside, they will उनको breathing में problem लगता है. They just start fearing. They just उनकी body पूरी shake होने लग जाती है. They just got scared. Okay, the people, those who suffer from this kind of problems, generally they don't use lifts. Okay, तो जो एलिवेटर्स होते हैं, they don't use those लिफ्ट वगैरह वो यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, because जो लिफ्ट होती है वो क्लोज होती है and they just fear on being in a lift as well. Okay, so fear of closed spaces. So if someone is suffering from this kind of fear that he can't or she can't live in closed spaces. So that means that person is suffering from claustrophobia. That person is suffering from claustrophobia. Okay, they can't live in a closed place. Okay, especially these people, they even say whenever they sleep, जब वो सोते भी तो उनके कमरे का दरवाज़ा खुला रहता है. ओके, अगर उनको आप बाहर से बंद कर दोगे तो दे विल मतलब उनकी बॉडी एकदम से रिएक्ट करेगी एंड दे विल लाइक फील मतलब दे विल मतलब उनको आई हैव सीन वन ऑफ द पर्सन. ओके, उनकी बॉडी पूरी शेक होती है, मतलब दे हैव स्टार्ट भी उनको मतलब सांस में प्रॉब्लम होती है तो उनको घुटन होनी महसूस हो जाती है. ओके, so that is a problem with the people who suffer from this kind of a problem. Okay, so this fear of closed spaces or being on a closed space, this fear is known as claustrophobia. So being on, sorry, fear of closed spaces, fear of closed spaces, that is known as claustrophobia. That is known as claustrophobia. claustrophobiA. That is known as claustrophobia. Okay, so if someone is suffering from this fear of closed surface, so that means he is suffering from claustrophobia. Clear? Chale. Moving next to the seventh one. Seventh is fear of water. If somebody has fear of water, they can't swim, they can't go near the sea, they can't go near the river, they can't do boating. So that means that person has a fear of water. Like I can't boat, I can't do boating. Okay, because I fear of water. Okay, so that fear is known as hydrophobia. That fear is known as hydrophobia. So if someone has a fear of water, so that person is suffering from the problem that is known as hydrophobia. Okay, so मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब I just shake like no, but I can't do just boating. Okay, so this is just only I go near the sea. I have been to the rivers as well, but मतलब कुछ जो लोग होते हैं जिनको पानी के मतलब रिसीवर के नीचे even near the swimming pools, they can't go near that also. Okay, so that means that person is suffering from a problem like that is known as hydrophobia. So fear of water is hydrophobia. Clear? Write down the seventh one, that is fear of water, fear of water, that is fear of water is hydrophobia. That is hydrophobia. Moving next to the last one. The last is fear of heights. If someone has fear on being on heights, तो वो जो झूलों पे नहीं जाते, they just feel fear. They can't be on the high wheels and the giant wheels. Okay, वो ऊंची पहाड़ियों पे नहीं चढ़ते, हाई बिल्डिंग से ऊपर नहीं झाँकते ऊंची बिल्डिंग से. So that means that person is having the fear of heights. So if someone is suffering from fear of heights, so that person is suffering from acrophobia. So fear of heights, if somebody is having fear of heights, so that person is suffering from acrophobia. So now write down fear of heights, fear of heights, so that means he is suffering from acrophobia. acrophobia, that is acrophobia. Clear? So these are the answers from the page number 69, that is I fear. Clear? And just match the correct answers with the correct phobias with the correct answer. Okay, And this is from the today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.